tayo pupunta dyan?
Hello everyone, so we're here in Mobile Steak, malapit sa hotel namin. This is the place we chose to eat our breakfast. Hintayin na namin yung pagkain namin. And if you know me, alam nyo na hindi ako masyado nagbe-breakfast. Ngayon dito, mananaba talaga ako kasi breakfast, lunch, dinner, tapos may merienda pa ng hapon and then merienda pa ng gabi. Later after we eat, we're going to Mahonakon and I think that's the tallest building in Bangkok. After namin kumain, we're going to proceed to go to Mahonakon and then samahan nyo kami. Hi guys, so nakababa na kami ngayon ng train and we're in this station na punta dito. King Power Mahanakhon. King Power Mahanakhon. This building is like the tallest building here in Bangkok. Makikita nyo yung design niya mamaya. Para daw siyang Rubik's Cube, sabi ni Daddy. So we're going here. Dito. Let's go! Hey guys, what's up? Nandito kami ngayon sa isang floor. Well, specifically the 73rd floor here in the Mahonakon Tower. And look, kita nyo naman siguro, we're really up in the sky. Hindi, joke lang. Napakataas guys. So, and so yun guys, tapos na kami mag-picture dito. Akit na kami dito sa another floor. Tingnan nyo, paakit na kami. We're in the 73rd floor guys. Kanina nung umakit kami ng elevator, mayroong pressure sa tenga ko. Diyan na ba yun? Elevator ba yun? We're just gonna wait for the elevator and then aakit na rin kami. It's gonna be another floor. It's gonna be another wonder kasi iba na naman siya. But ayun, hintayin lang namin yung elevator dito. So what's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-rooftop yata nung tower na pinuntahan namin. I think it's the rooftop kasi wala naman ng iba. Sobrang init. Yung nakikita nyo dyan, yeah, that's because mainit. And nasa taas kasi kami, so tutok na tutok yung araw. Pero yeah, just enjoying the view. And tumupo lang ako dito para makapag-vlog kasi nangangalay yung kamay ko kapag nag-vlog. Kapag basa. Ba't basa? Nangangalay yung kamay ko pag nag-vlog ako ng nakatayo and my hands are extended. Later, pupuntahan namin or tatry namin kasi parang yung top floor is may another floor na aakyatan mo para makapunta sa mga upuan na to. Pero doon, later, we're gonna try yung parang skywalk and we're gonna see parang yung floor niya is glass. So, we will try that. Let's go.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Ay, nakasarap pala. Kaya pala hindi.
Thank you. That's my son, the yellow.
Today, I don't feel like... Grabe naman yung spotlight. Kuhang-kuha naman ako, sir. Hope to see you again soon. Kailan tayo babalik, Daddy? End of first semester yun. So, nandito kami ngayon sa, ayun, Mahanakon. We're in the Mahanakon Thai Taste Hub. The amount of this is 200 baht. Nagastos ko na yung 150. Yung 50 is for Dad kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung drinks na gusto niya. Dad, walang milk tea.
Eh ano daw?
Ang in-order ko sa akin, lemon Thai. Ikaw, ano gusto? Hello guys, so naka-order na si Dad ng pagkain. We ordered this noodle siya, and then script. And then we ordered some drinks din. Drinks sa akin. Just one. And then I ordered that milk tea na may dark coffee, I think. Yun, hinihintay ko pa. We're just gonna fill up our tummy and we're gonna go
Pasalubog shopping.
pasalubong shopping. We heard him. Pasalubong shopping.
Picture pala tayo.
Hi guys, I'm back. We're going to eat. Let's go. Hi guys, kakababa lang namin ng elevator. Kakababa lang namin ng train. At si Dad. Saan tayo, Dad?
Racha Dami.
We're just going to go out of the station and then we're gonna look for the malls. So this stop ng aming trip is more about shopping, di ba?
Pasalubog shopping.
Shopping! Pasalubong lang. Kasi puro mall yung mga pupuntahan namin ngayon. Thank you.
Yan. Gusto mo yan? Gagawin mo. Para pasalubog.
Dito na lang ako. Kasi nakakaharap ako. Kasi dito lang masyadong muna. Dito lang ako. Hey guys, so we're currently in Big C. Big C is like supermarket. So dito ka kasi makakabili ng mga discounted prices or nakasale yung mga binibili tulad ng mga to. So madami na nakuha si Dad, nilagay lang siya dito sa cart namin. Ang mahirap lang dito is like the cart is really hard to maneuver. Pabigat siya. So I'm just waiting here sa may gilid kasi Dad is looking for other things. Ano to? Ano gusto? Tingnan ano meron sa Pilipinas nito.
Kasi kaya yan dito?
Siguro. Thank you.
Let's see. Kaya tayo. Tapos dessert na lang natin. Tapos tipisan.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Central Mall. Kakatapos lang namin mamili and then we're just sightseeing. Naghahanap sana na kami ng restaurant pero wala kaming nahanap. Pupunta na ulit kami dun sa station ng train na sasakyan namin pabalik ng hotel namin. We decided na doon na lang kumain sa may hotel. I think this is gonna be our last stop for today. Central Mall. Nahalap lang namin yung exit kasi hindi namin makita pero yeah, let's go.
Bigat.
Grabe. Hey guys, we're back here in our hotel. Nakabili na kami ng pagkain namin. It's time for dinner. It's currently 6:32. So we're just going to eat and then we're gonna rest later. And bukas is pupunta naman kami ng... Saan tayo pupunta bukas? Floating market. Let's go. We're gonna float to the market.